Hey guys, welcome back. So, it's been a little bit. I have been slacking on the videos here on YouTube, so I figured I should make some kind of update to tell you what I'm up to. It's been crazy here, but I am getting ready to go to Star Wars Celebration in Chicago this weekend. Star Wars Celebration 2019 in Chicago, Illinois. In case you're seeing this video in the far-off future and you're wondering, which one is he going to? Star Wars Celebration 2019, Chicago, Illinois. So yeah, getting ready to go to that, and I bought my tickets to my airline tickets, my flight tickets a while back, and today I went to go buy parking spaces for the airport for while I'm gone, and I realized that I was wrong about the date that I'm leaving, and I actually bought my ticket for a day early. So it's been really frantic around here while I try to get everything prepared. Now, as you can see in the background here, I have a 3PO torso, which is silver at the moment. There's my gold one that I always wear for years back there. And I've had this one in the wings waiting to be chromed forever. And I'm like, I gotta get this one done for Celebration because I'm so sick of this one. The one that I wore forever that you see in all my pictures and everything, the gold one, is very inaccurate. And I'm quite excited to phase it out and start wearing this new one. But it's been sitting there not chromed for months and months and months. But now you can see it is nice and shiny. Now this is just the silver coat. Tomorrow I will do the gold tint coat on this, and I've got the back piece here. There's the back panel. And it was a super rush job. So I did this in a way that I absolutely would never recommend. If someone said, hey, should I do my chrome like this? I would say 100% no. Don't do it like that. It'll come out terrible. And I did it. There are some flubs on here. This is not perfect. I'm going to have to redo this when I get back, but it's came out surprisingly good. There are some little spots and things that are really hard to see on camera. Like if you take a picture, nobody's going to notice it. If you're in person, you can kind of see some stuff. But I'm going to add a little bit of weathering to the costume. I think it's going to hide the sins wonderfully. So yeah, I'll have a new torso. And if you are at Star Wars Celebration, you can come visit me at the Regal Robot booth. I will be working there most of the time. I'm going to take a little excursion maybe once a day to do the droid stuff. But for the most part, I will be at the Regal Robot booth. Apparently it's near the main stage. I would tell you the booth number, but I don't know off the top of my head, so I'll put it in the description below if you're interested in coming to visit, saying hello. If you happen to be in Chicago for Star Wars Celebration 2019, Chicago, Illinois, come to Regal Robot booth and say hello to me if you like. Yeah, I'll be there. And then you can see all this stuff. I also will be bringing my RA7 droid, which I'll put a picture here. That went off to Chicago a few days ago. Hopefully it's not all busted up when it gets there. And it's going to be on display in the R2-D2 builder room, but I will put it on and walk around in it for a little bit when I have time. It's silver in the photo. It's not chromed like this. I just did a really quick silvering job on it. It's the same droid that was black that was in the Vader, the Star Wars Theory Vader fan film. It's the exact same costume. I just painted it silver. Oh, one thing that I almost forgot too is that I made another pair of shorts, which I'm going to try to chrome tomorrow, the same day that I leave for Chicago. I'm going to try to completely chrome these. And a set of feet caps. Let me go get those. They look like this. Again, I'm not really a fan of these foot cap things, but tomorrow I'm going to glue these onto some shoes so they're actually like a shoe and not just a thing that's flopping around on top of my foot. I'm going to try to chrome this pair, and I'm making a second pair of these that I'm going to just paint silver. Now, I was telling you guys that the RA7 droid I made silver. I literally just used spray paint for that, so that picture you saw, it's just spray paint. It looks surprisingly good. I feel like Rust-Oleum must have changed their chrome paint. It's obviously not this awesome, not even close, but it looks okay. But oh yeah, so these shorts. This is my sixth pair that I've made on that mold. I keep experimenting each time. This is another one that I did with it's epoxy. They're epoxy, like laid up like fiberglass cloth inside, and epoxy, and I made them with this flexing agent, this flexing additive. So they've got bend. They're not rubbery, but they've got like some bend. They're kind of like a car bumper is what they feel like right now, which is perfect. They're enough flex that they'll give a little bit, but they're not so flexible that it's going to tear the chrome up. So I think that the chrome will hold up really well on this pair without them being too stiff at the same time. So I'm very happy about that. But yeah, see the flex and flex. I have now done 2.5 pairs that are made out of rubber also, like completely rubber. The first pair is the white ones I think I showed in a previous video. I sold those. And then I made another pair on commission for somebody. I ended up making like 1.5 pairs. And I say a half because I made one, but they were really way too thin and they were just terrible. And then I made another pair, which the thickness was better, but they still were a little soft because I used a different rubber than I used in the first batch. And they were okay. The person that bought them is going to use them for 000, so they should work okay for that. However, I think they might be slightly too flexible for the chrome. Even the chrome will go on it, but it just won't hold up as long as I would like. So anyway, back to these. Flexible awesomeness. Pretty cool. I'm excited to try these out. I'm going to trim the legs like I do with my Vacuform shorts too, just to make them fit a little better. But yeah, figured I'd show those. So yeah, that is the deal. So I'm rushing to get ready. Don't even really have time to make this video, but I figured I should put something up before I go. While I'm there, I will try my best to get footage of as much as possible. I'm gonna bring my GoPro. We'll see how well I keep up with that, and maybe I'll do some daily updates. If there are any things that you got, oh, geez, see, this is the problem. If there are any things that you guys would like me to go check out while I'm there, if you can't go, let me know and I'll try to get video of it and I'll share it here. Whoa, sorry for that little edit there. I just had a coughing fit. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I just am getting over a cold, so I had a few days of just feeling really weird. A really weird side effect of this cold is that I cannot smell anything. I can't smell stuff. It's really weird. I'm guessing I probably have horrible BO right now. I've been wearing the same shirt for like 3 days. But I can't tell. I was going through my laundry to see what I needed to wash for the trip. I'm picking up stuff that I know is dirty and smelling it just to make sure. I have no idea. And I went in the bathroom, took my deodorant, put it right up to my nose. Big old whiff. Can't even smell it. It's the weirdest damn thing. I hope my smell comes back, guys. I really do. I'm super sad about it. Anyway, hope to see you at Star Wars Celebration. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you guys soon.